Here's a shot of it next to the ZD Racing Thunder SC10. So they're pretty much about the same size, same wheelbase, same footprint. Um, but I have to say, this body is way cooler. Comes with a functional spare. Now there is a good price difference between these two, at least from what I picked them up for. So that's something to note if you guys are in the toss up between them. But more scale, and I'm assuming this might have more performance because it does have the independent rear suspension, rear arms that we were talking about, the difference there. Something else different is that the wheel is a little bit bigger on the ZD Racing, just a little bit, but these feel grippier than these do, and the foams are more firm in the ZD Racing than they are in this one. So here's a shot of the inside between the two. This is a very common design. You see a lot, with the bucket and the two and the four independents. This one you do see around, but not as often. But you'll see the independent fronts and then the solid rear axle. So motor size is the same, but I believe this one runs I can't remember now, sorry guys. But yeah, electronics are very similar. I think the battery pack in this one's a little bit bigger, 33, that might be 24. But aside from that, they are very similar in size, I should say. But yeah, I can't get past how cool I think this body is right here versus this one just being a generic one. And someone commented on my box unboxing on this one. Thank you very much, and great eyes, eagle eyes. But they did notice that this one did come cracked on the side. Here's a better shot of it. So yeah, it did make it through. So I'm gonna tape the inside of this. I probably won't do the whole drywall and shoe goo thing, which is an awesome tip that I saw from Kevin Talbot. I might do that on something like this, but not for this. Just because I know that there are replaceable bodies for this. You can just look up slash body or any 1/10 scale body. This is a common size to share. That the HSP short course truck does not. Those are a little bit smaller. The HSP is that rally car that that I have an unboxing video on. But that just wanted to wrap it up with kind of a size comparison and give you a look on the inside of the two. So yeah, again, going back to performance, lower CG, battery packs mounted low, everything's on the bottom. This one, battery packs on the top, and everything, yeah, it's not low CG chassis like that one is. So I'll give performance, my guess of performance to that one, cool factor to this one. Right, thanks. Sorry, one last thing I did want to mention in the comparison portion is that this comes with the the Fly Sky receiver. This comes with the Dumbo RC receiver. I personally prefer the Dumbo RC receiver or transmitter receiver. Longer range, very responsive, and 4 AA's versus 8 AA's, but still a great transmitter, especially for value. And then a tip that I have with these bodies is to pick up these little kind of plastic protectors. I got like a 20 pack on Amazon for like $5, but well worth it. It spreads out the area that holds the body, so it's not just the pin that's pressed against the plastic. So that's just another something that could help prolong the life of these. And I put this on mainly because this already came with a crack right there on the body post. Banggood's not going to do anything about it, so I'm not going to bother. Annoying. But that one came in awesome. Another comparison, packaging goes to VRX versus the ZD Racing. So there's a trade-off. ZD Racing's cheaper, probably performs better. This one, better packed, feels more quality, cool factor, better radio, in my opinion. And yeah, I think that's all I could say until I run this one and then give you guys more feedback on it. All right, that's the end. Thank you.